Sana. Oh my God! What happened to my Facebook? Bakit may warning?
Baka naman napasok mo yung sinasabi nilang phishing.
Phishing? Ano yun?
Ito yung type ng pag-hack na kung saan akala mo yung website name ng pinasok mo, yun pala hacking attack na.
Ah. Ha ha ha! Hayan kasi ang napapala nyo. Mahilig kasi kayo mag-post ng mga personal informations nyo. Dapat kasi...
Leave me alone. Learn about privacy setting and customize your profile accordingly. Keep it to yourself. Don't post information that's too personal. No phishing allowed. Make sure that you are in the correct site when entering your password and other personal information.
No matter how many social networking sites there may be on the web,
It's still your choice which and when to click and enter.
Too much information, have a limitation. Learn how to control P. Control your privacy.